over here.
Hey, Kiana, grab onto Sienna's feet.
No. Yes, it's going to be at the choo-choo train. Now go, Daddy, go.
You got her feet?
Hold on to my feet.
Are they all on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's funny.
This is funny. That is crazy.
Don't put me down.
You want to go faster, girls?
Yeah. Actually, we're going to have to let go.
Oh, we lost one. Let's go pick her up. Hold on. Kiana, here we go. Is she on?
No.
You're going to have to make another pass. Go back and get her.
Choo-choo.
Yeah, they're coming back. Just hold my feet.
You got it? You got her feet?
To my feet.
Hang on.
Yeah, hold on with both. Good job.
Like, what are you doing to my feet?
Who wants to go faster?
No, Daddy, you're having me behind you because...
We lost part of our train.